Hey there, ever feel like your home could use a little pick-me-up after the long, chilly months? Well, you're not alone. As the days get warmer and the sun starts peeking through the clouds, there's something about the air that just screams, fresh start. And what better way to kickstart that fresh feeling than with a good old spring clean? So, grab your gloves and dust off your cleaning supplies because we're diving into a journey that's not only going to leave your home shining, but also put a little extra cash back in your pocket. Intrigued? Let's get started. Number 1, clean your windows. Ever noticed how a clean window can completely transform a room? It's like letting in a breath of fresh air without even stepping outside. But here's the thing. Most of us don't realize just how grimy our windows have become until we give them a good scrub. Think about it. Clean windows mean more natural light streaming in, which not only brightens up your space, but also reduces the need to flick on those artificial lights. So, grab your glass cleaner and a trusty cloth because we're about to let the sunshine in and cut down on those energy bills. Number 2, dust everywhere. Dust, the silent saboteur of our homes. It's not just a nuisance for our shelves. It's also a sneaky culprit when it comes to energy efficiency. Here's the deal. When dust settles, it acts like a barrier, making it harder for our appliances to work efficiently. Ever wiped down your TV or laptop screen and noticed how much brighter it looks? That's the power of dusting. By giving these areas a good clean, not only do we improve air quality, but we also optimize energy usage. So, roll up those sleeves and let's banish the dust bunnies for good. Number 3, descale the kettle, our faithful companion on those chilly mornings and late-night tea sessions. But have you ever taken a peek inside and noticed a thick layer of lime scale lurking within? Over time, this buildup not only affects the taste of our brew, but also wastes precious energy. Here's the scoop. When lime scale accumulates in the kettle, it forces it to work harder to heat the water, leading to increased energy consumption. By giving our kettle a good clean inside and out, we're not just ensuring a better tasting cuppa, we're also cutting down on unnecessary energy usage. Number 4, degrease your oven. It's easy to overlook the gradual buildup of grease and grime in our ovens. That caked-on residue not only affects the efficiency of our oven, but also impacts its ability to cook our food evenly. By taking the time to degrease our oven, we're not just ensuring a cleaner cooking environment, we're also maximizing its energy efficiency for better results every time. Number 5, defrost the freezer. Over time, our freezers can accumulate a thick layer of ice, putting a strain on their energy efficiency. By defrosting our freezer regularly, we're not only preventing unnecessary energy consumption, but also creating more space for our food. Number 6, clean behind the fridge. When was the last time you peeked behind your fridge? Those coils on the back play a crucial role in its ventilation system, but when covered in dust and grime, they hinder efficiency. By cleaning behind the fridge regularly, we're ensuring optimal airflow and reducing the appliance's energy consumption. It's a small effort that goes a long way in keeping our home running smoothly and efficiently. Number 7, check your tumble dryer ducts. While we're diligent about cleaning the lint catcher in our tumble dryer, it's easy to overlook the external ducts and pipes. Dirt and debris can easily accumulate here, causing blockages and forcing the dryer to work harder. Regularly checking and cleaning these ducts ensures optimal airflow and temperature levels, improving the efficiency of the appliance and reducing energy consumption. It's a simple maintenance task that can make a big difference in keeping our home appliances running smoothly. Number 8, vacuum your radiators. Radiators may look clean on the outside, but hidden within their grills lurks a surprising amount of dust and dirt. Using a slimline vacuum attachment, we can easily remove this buildup, ensuring efficient heat distribution. By keeping our radiators clean, we optimize the performance of our heating system, reducing the need for it to work harder to achieve desired temperatures. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance energy efficiency and maintain a cozy home environment. And there you have it. So next time you're gearing up for a deep clean, remember the hidden benefits beyond just a tidy space. By banishing dust, descaling kettles, and checking behind appliances, You're not just refreshing your home, you're also maximizing energy efficiency and doing your part for the environment. Happy cleaning!